FilesAnywhere has integrated with DocuSign. Please note this is only for professional and enterprise accounts, and you will need a DocuSign account in order to use the feature. A link will be provided in the details below to sign up for an account. In this video, I will show you how to enable and disable this feature from the admin console, and once this feature is enabled, where to locate within the user interface and how to use this feature. First, we are going to log into the admin console, click on Site Configuration. Over on the left-hand side, click on Plugins, and then we are going to scroll down where we see DocuSign. If it is not enabled, then all you need to do is just click on the button, and then from here we are going to save the site configuration. Once this has been enabled, it will allow users to see and use the feature. Now we are going to log in and see it from the user's interface and how the feature works. In this video, we are going to do this from TreeView. To start, you will need to right-click the file that you are trying to send with DocuSign and go to Service Plugins. Then select Send to DocuSign. This feature can be used with documents, images, presentations, or spreadsheets. If this happens to be your first time, you will be prompted with the FilesAnywhere ISV message and click Accept. After this, you will input your DocuSign credentials and be redirected back to FilesAnywhere and the Envelope Detail tab, where you will see the file selected. If you would like to add additional files, you can do this by clicking Add File/Folder. From here, you will need to specify the folder location you would like the saved agreement to go to, the saved agreement's name, and whether or not you would like to keep all versions of each event for this agreement. All these settings are available within FilesAnywhere and keep you from having to go back and forth between programs. The next tab is going to be Envelope Options. This is where you can set up a required access code for viewing and signing of the agreement. Here you will also find the options for expiration and if you want comments or not. The last tab is going to be Recipients. This is where you will input the name and email of the recipient you are wanting to sign the agreement. Please note, you can select Remember My Choice for future documents. Once the settings are to your liking, click Continue to DocuSign. This will prompt you with a confirmation window where you can click Send to DocuSign. This will redirect you to DocuSign where you can select all the fields this agreement will need and their locations. Please be aware that you can switch between the different recipients in the top left if you have more than one. Once this has been completed, you can click Send in the bottom right corner and it will instruct you to close the window and click Close to close out of the pop-up in FilesAnywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on best practice and more tips. If you need additional support, please contact us at 1-888-661-6565 or email support@filesanywhere.com.